once again we meet. We are going to continue with verb plus verb pattern. If you remember last video, the previous video, there I had started about verbs and also I had said about the verb pattern and I had discussed about the three most basic ones. So that way it helps for sentence structure, for spoken English and also to develop your grammar skills. So let's begin. Now, the first one which I had told last time was subject plus verb. For example, he laughs. The next one which I had also discussed was subject plus verb plus complement object. That is, she is. She is the subject, is the verb and complement which completes the sentence. So she is a doctor or she is a pilot or she is angry. So anything which completes the sentence is called here complement object. Why complement? Because it's completing the sentence after is or she became a doctor. Next was or is subject plus verb plus direct object. That is, she gave a book. She is the subject, gave is the verb, and then the direct object, a book. Direct object means what? It answers the question what? A book. Now today we continue further, which is little complicated, but these are also the ways by which you can speak in English or you can construct sentences with no grammatical error. So let's start. The fourth one is subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Subject plus verb plus direct object, previous discussion we had done. Now we put in a little more, that is indirect object. That is, it answers the question whom. For example, Ram gave him a book. So Ram is the subject, gave is the verb, him is the indirect object and direct object a book. Now gave I put past tense, verb, you can put present tense gives, you can put future tense will give. Next one, subject plus verb plus preposition plus prepositional object. Now you must be knowing the word preposition. What is preposition? It shows the connection between the subject and the object. Like for example, the cat sat on the table. So cat and table subject object, where the cat is sitting on. So it shows the direction. Same way here, we are making sentences with subject plus verb plus preposition plus prepositional object. Prepositional object means which is the ending of the sentence coming after the preposition. Preposition like to, at, with, in, of, from, for, all these are prepositions. And there are many others. So, John shared with all of us. Now, John is the subject, shared is the verb, with is the preposition, all of us prepositional object. Next is the same, only a little bit difference. We are putting before preposition noun or pronoun. So subject, verb plus noun or pronoun plus preposition plus prepositional object. So subject I have taken here Dick, verb lent, noun or pronoun a book, noun here, preposition to and prepositional object him. Or you can say Dick gave or the teacher gave or Dick gave a book to each one of us. Now, next one. subject plus verb plus infinitive. Now what is the meaning of infinitive? Infinitive means use to and after to any verb. Now it has to be present tense plural verb like to go, to play, to run, to speak. Whole thing together is called infinitive. So subject she, verb wanted. It can be present tense also wants, future tense also. So she wanted, and infinitive is to go. She wanted what? To go. So it is ending the sentence but with infinitive. Next comes subject. You can make it a little complicated by saying she told him. That is, in between we put noun or pronoun. She told him to go. That also is one of the methods, verb pattern. Now next one is subject plus verb plus noun or pronoun plus adjective. So the girl is the subject, kept is the verb, the door is the noun or pronoun, open is the adjective. Or you can say the servant washed the plates clean. So subject plus verb plus noun or pronoun plus adjective. Then we are going to do about subject, verb plus clause. There are many others, but these are the most common ones which I am discussing. And this will help you to construct sentences. This will help you to speak also. But continuous practice has to be done for speaking. You don't have to follow all the rules once you know to speak fluently. Now, so here it is subject plus verb plus clause. Now clause, what is the meaning? It means same like sentence, but it's connecting to the main clause. That is two sentences joined together by words like that, where, how, where, when. So many words are there. Now I have taken he told that he was well. So he told is one sentence, main clause. That he was well is the subordinate clause. This is connecting with the main clause he told. Now he told what? He told that he was well. So this is the noun clause. When it answers the question what, whether it's a word, whether it's a phrase, whether it is an clause, it is always called noun. It will be noun, either noun or noun phrase or noun clause. What is the difference? Clause is a part of the sentence which is connected to the main clause. So it's also called subordinate clause, but which type? Noun clause. Like this you have adjective clause, you have adverb clause. Same, you have to just, instead of that you can connect it with where, you can connect it with when, you can connect it with how, like this. So these are some of the verb patterns which you can follow. This will help you to construct sentences. This will help you to speak in English. And then in the next video we are going to meet once again with another new topic. So please be tuned. If you have any queries, you are welcome to ask and put it in the comment box. Thank you once again.